Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. I'm your maths teacher from IYS schools. Hope you all are good and safe at home. Today is our 8th day of online teaching. But before starting the teaching, I will give you some instructions. Hopefully you all understand and follow these instructions. Don't raise hand during teaching. Number 2, ask questions at the end of the teaching. Number 3, use hand-free if you are using mobile and headphone for computer use. Number 4, feed your ID and password properly with your name and class. Number 5, take care of time for attending the class. Number 6, home task should be done in your fair copy of the subject. Number 7, if there is any disconnectivity during the teaching, try to join again within 5 to 10 minutes. Hope you all understand. Now we start our teaching. Now I'm going to start today's teaching, and in today's teaching, I'm going to continue chapter number 8 length that we already started in July. Okay, today we are continuing chapter number 8. So today's topics are adding meters and centimeters, subtracting meters and centimeters, and solve word problems. Students, if you all hear my voice clearly, then reply yes in chat box. I'm going to start today's teaching. If you all hear my voice clearly, then reply yes in chat box. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to give you a short review of topics that we already learned in July. Here, you all know well that what is metric system, because we already discussed this metric system in July's teaching. The standard unit of length is meter. All you know very well that the standard unit of length is meter. Here, you know that to measure the length of smaller objects, we use smaller units like millimeter and centimeter, like this. This is smaller object, this skirt or this piece of cloth is in smaller length. So, you know that smaller lengths are measured in centimeters and millimeters. To measure the length of bigger objects, we use bigger units like meter and kilometer. For smaller, we use centimeter and millimeter. And to measure the length of bigger objects, we use bigger units like meter and kilometer. Here you see the road. Obviously, the length of road is very long, unlimited. So we measure very big things like roads and all of other that whose lengths cannot be measured with scale. These big things measure in kilometers. Okay, so here you know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters and 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. We already learned all these topics in July's teaching. I just giving you review. Here you see centimeter scale. First of all, starting from 0, then small, you see 9 small lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9 small lines, the next one is 1. Okay, so here you see that after 0, these small lines count as division of centimeters. Okay, division of centimeters. Don't write anything on screen, students. Okay, line segment. Here AB is called a line segment, and here A and B are the end points. Starting from here, you see the first dot A and another dot is B. So from this dot to this dot, this is the line segment, or this is the measurement of line AB. When you put a scale here till this dot, then you find out what's the length of this line. So AB is the end point of this line segment. Now going to meters and centimeters. Now I'm going to discuss meter and centimeters. This topic is already discussed in previous teaching. Here you see the straight line A, B. This is a line segment. To find the length of this line segment, we use a ruler. If I ask you that what's the length of this line, so what you do, you just put scale at this point starting from 0. You put scale here till here. Okay, then you find out what's the measurement or what's the length of this line A, B. So here, put the scale here at the first endpoint starting from 0 till here. So what's the length of line AB? 10 centimeter. Starting from 0, put scale here, and this point ends at 10 centimeter. So the length of line segment AB is 10 centimeters. And you know that 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter, or 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Centimeter is measured in smaller lengths and meter is measured in bigger lengths. Meter is bigger unit and centimeters are smaller units. Okay. Now, today's topic, adding meters and centimeters. Hope you all understand, your all concepts are clear now about units, bigger units, smaller units, line segment. And if you face any difficulty in solving exercise 8.1 and 8.2, you will discuss me, you will ask me at the end. Okay. So, adding meters and centimeters, this is simple addition and subtraction, nothing else. Here you see 5 meter. First of all, adding centimeters, then adding meters. Starting from here, first of all, you add centimeters, then meters. 5 meter, 44 centimeter. 3 meter, 37 centimeter. Meter is bigger unit. That's why when we start writing question, first of all, we write meter, then centimeter, because centimeter is smaller unit. So, start at from here. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 here and 1 carry here on the next digit. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1 carry 8. So 81 centimeter, then comes to meter. 5 plus 3, 8 meter. So your answer is 8 meter 81 centimeter. Example number 2, same as above. 37 meter 56 centimeter. 21 meter 85 centimeter. So starting from here, 6 plus 5, 11, 1 here, and 1 of this 11 comes at, move to next digit, that is 5. So 5 plus 8, 13, plus 1, 14. 4 here and 1 shift at this digit on above 7. 7 plus 1, 8, and plus 1, 9. 3 plus 2, 5. So our answer is 59 meter and 41 centimeter. First of all, when you add 56 centimeter and 85 centimeter is equal to 141 centimeter. How 141 centimeter? Here you see 1 here. This here you see 41 here. No. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 plus 1, 11. 111 we put here and another one here. So 5 plus 8, 13, plus 1, 14. 4 here and 1 of this 4 shifts at here. So centimeters, overall answer is 141. Here you write 141 centimeter. In previous exercise that we discussed in July's previous teaching, what we done? We just break this number. Okay, so 100 cent 141. When we break 141, then 100, we write 100 separately and 41 separately, because this count read as 141 centimeters. So you write 100 separately and 41 separately. Now your answer easily converts into meter and centimeter. In exercise 8.2, I already taught you that when you need to change into meters and centimeters, first of all we need to break this digit. Okay, this that is 141. So first of all you write 100 separately and 41 separately. You know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 1 meter plus 41 centimeter. In this form your answer is converted into meter and centimeter. Clear? Now come to the next. 1 meter plus 37 meter plus 21 meter. Okay, here 1 meter plus 37 meter plus, now you see all the same answers in meter. Here 1 meter, then 37 meter, then 21 meter. When we add all these meters, then your answer is 59 meter. Here you see. So your answer is 59 meter and 41 centimeter. Hope you all understand. Now I'm moving to exercise 8.3. Open your books, page number 81. Okay. 2 questions are solved for your guidance. If you want to take a screenshot of this slide, you take it right now. Starting from here, 8 plus 7, 15, 5 here, and 1 of this 15 shifts at 3. 4 plus 3, 7, plus 1, 8. What's the answer in centimeter? 85 centimeter. Now comes to here, 5 plus 1, 6. So your answer is 6 meter, 85 centimeter. Here you see 8 plus 5, 13. 3 here and 1 shifts at 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 here and another 1 shifts at the place of meter. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 here and 1 plus 1, 2. Your answer is 27 meter and 13 centimeter. This is simple addition, nothing complicated in it. Okay. If you have any misunderstanding, any confusion regarding this exercise, you will ask me at the end of the teaching. Now, subtracting meters and centimeters, same as addition. Look at here. 8 meter 75 centimeter, 5 meter 39 centimeter. Okay, so always starting from here, and first of all in subtraction you should see that uppercase subtracted from lower. Upper digits are subtracted from lower. In this case, upper digits must be bigger than smaller lower digits. Okay, so here you see that 5 is smaller than 9. So 5 will not be subtracted from 9. So what you do here, you take borrow from another digits. When you take borrow from 7, then when 7 give borrow to 5, it will become 15. And here 6. So 14 minus 9, 6. And here 7, and 7 gives 1 borrow to 5, it will become 15. And here what's left? 6. So 6 minus 3, 3. This slash is here written by mistakenly. Don't look at this 4. This is 15. Okay, this is count as 15. Don't look at there. 6 minus 3, 3. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 meter 36 centimeter. Okay. Here exercise 8.4, subtraction. Question number 6. That is 68 meter 21 centimeter, 5 meter 30 centimeter. First of all, starting from here, 1 minus 0, 1 is bigger than 0, so easily subtract. 1 minus 0, 1. 2 minus 3, no, 2 is smaller than 3. So what you do here, you take borrow from another neighbor digit. So here you take borrow from 8. When 8 gives 1 to 2, it will become 12. And what remains here? 7. Okay, so 12 minus 3, 9. 7 minus 5, 2. And 6 remains as it is, because no digit is given here, so 6 will come as it is. So your answer is 62 meter 91 centimeter. Another question is solved for you. Question number 11. 65 meter 96 centimeter, 28 meter 49 centimeter. Okay, 6 is smaller than 9, so what you do here, you take borrow from here. When 9 gives 1 borrow to 6, it will become 16, and what remains here, what left here, 8. So 16 minus 9, 7, 8 minus 4, 5. 57 centimeter. Now comes to here, here you see that 5 is smaller than 8, you again take borrow from here. When 6 gives 1 borrow to, when 6 gives 1 borrow to, 8 minus 4, 4. Okay, not 5. When 6 gives 1 borrow to here, then 15 minus 8, 7. But 6 is smaller than 9, so what you do here, you take 1 borrow from here. When 9 gives 1 borrow to 6, it will become 16. 16 minus 9, 7. 8 minus 4, 4. Okay, 47 centimeter. And here 5 is smaller than 8. 5 will not, in this case 5 is not subtracted from 8, so you take borrow from, if 5 take borrow from 6, 5 take borrow from 6, when 6 gives 1 borrow to 8. Okay, when 6 gives 1 borrow to 5, it will become 15. 15 minus 8, 7, and here what's left, 5, so 5 minus 2, 3. 37 meter, 47 centimeter. In this case, you will complete, in this way you will complete this exercise, that is exercise 8.4, okay, in your books by using pencil. Now I'm moving towards word problems, page number 83. Open your books and here you see example, but you know that we must follow 5 steps when we solve word problems. But here in your book, this problem is directly solved. This is just for your understanding. When we solve word problems, when you solve word problems in your copy, you must follow that all 5 steps. Okay, so Mrs. Z had 12 meter 25 centimeter of cloth. She used 2 meter 80 centimeter to make a dress. What is the length of the remaining cloth? So here what you need, which operation used? Subtraction, because Mrs. Z had 12 meter 25 centimeter of cloth. She used 2 meter 80 centimeter. She used 2 meter 80 centimeter to make a dress. So what's the length of remaining cloth? First of all, you write this 12 meter 25 centimeter, then 2 meter 80 centimeter. So 5 subtracted from 0, 5. 2 is smaller than 8, so take borrow from here. Borrow is not mentioned here, but you should give borrow. When 2 gives borrow to it, it will become 12. 12 minus 8, 4. Here 1, only remaining 1. 1 is smaller than 2. So when this one gives borrow to this, it will become 11. 11 minus 2, 9, and here remains 0. 0 is not mentioned here. So your answer is 9 meter 45 centimeter. The length of the remaining cloth is 9 meter 45 centimeter. Now here you see word problems, page number 85, 84 and 85. Word problem number 2. Solve for your guidance. A shopkeeper sold 28 meter and 70 centimeter of ribbon on Monday and 35 meter 20 centimeter on Tuesday. How much ribbon did he sell altogether? First of all, which 5 steps you follow? You must follow 5 steps. Number 1 is given, then find. Need operation, solution and result. Starting from given, when we follow first step, what is given here? Ribbon sold on Monday 28 meter 70 centimeter. Ribbon sold on Tuesday 35 meter 20 centimeter. Okay, this is given. Now to find. What to find here? How much ribbon did he sell altogether? So you write here how much ribbon did he sell altogether. Third step is need operation. You know that they said here altogether. You need to find the total selling of these 2 ribbons. So you use addition operation here. Then solution. First of all, you write again these digits here: 28 meter 70 centimeter, 35 meter 20 centimeter. First of all, you just add up these all. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 2, 9, 90 centimeter. Now comes to meter. 8 plus 5, 13, 3 here, and one of these 3 shifts at 2. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6. 63 meter, 90 centimeter. So how much ribbon shopkeeper sold in these 2 days, Monday and Tuesday? 63 meter and 90 centimeter ribbon shopkeeper sold all together. Okay, I'm repeating it. Okay, a shopkeeper sold 28 meter and 70 centimeter of ribbon on Monday. On Monday, 28 meter and 70 centimeter, and on Tuesday, 35 meter 20 centimeter. How much ribbon did he sell? All together. We just need to find that how much ribbon did he sell all together in these 2 days. In word problems, you must follow 5 steps. Number 1 is given. What to and which is given here, you write here. Ribbon sold on Monday, 28 meter 70 centimeter. Ribbon sold on Tuesday, 35 meter 20 centimeter. Now to find the second step, how much ribbon did he sell all together? Need operation, third step, you know that addition operation used here, you write addition, then solution. Fourth step, 28 meter 70 centimeter on Monday and 35 meter 20 centimeter on Tuesday. You just add up these two. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 2, 9. 90 centimeter. 8 plus 5, 13. 3 here, and one of these 3 shifts at here. So 3 plus 2, 6, and plus 1. 3 plus 2, 5, and plus 1, 6. So how much ribbon did he sell altogether on Monday and Tuesday? 63 meter, 90 centimeter. Shopkeeper sold 63 meter and 90 centimeter ribbon altogether. In this way, you will solve all these word problems. Another problem is also solved for your guidance. Number 7. Javed has 50 meter of string. He uses 25 meter and 55 centimeter for his kite. How much string has he left? Now look at here. Previous problem is of addition, but this is of subtraction because Javed has 50 meter of string. Okay, but he uses 25 meter and 55 centimeter for his kite. Now, how much string has he left? So you use subtraction. Left means subtraction. Okay. First of all, first step is given. Javed has 50 meter of string and uses 25 meter and 55 centimeter for his kite. Now, to find second step, what to find here? How much string has he left? So you write here how much string has he left. Need operation, subtraction. Okay. Cause what term we use here? Left. Left means subtraction. Fourth step, solution. You write a question here. 50 meter, and for balancing this question, you put 0 here at the place of centimeter. 0, 0. 25 meter and 55 centimeter. You know that 0 is smaller than 5, so you take borrow from here, but here is also 0, here is also 0, so you need to take borrow from this digit. When 5 gives borrow to 0, it will become 10, and here what left? 4. When this 10 gives borrow to this 0, it will become 10 and it will become 9, and when this 10 gives borrow to this 0, it will become 10 and it will become 9. Step by step you solve, you give borrow in the case upper digits are 0. Why you put 0 here? Just to balance or just to solve the question. Your question is 50 meter, 25 meter and 55 centimeter. Why you put 0 here? Just to balance or to solve this question. Now 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 45 centimeter. Here 9 minus 5, 4, and 4 minus 2, 2. So how much string is left? 24 meter, 45 centimeter string is left. Javed has left 24 meter and 45 centimeter. Okay. If you have any question, any problem, any misunderstanding regarding these exercises, exercise 8.3, 8.4, 8.5, you will ask me. Now I'm going to share home task. Do complete exercise 8.3, page number 81 and page number 82 in your book. Exercise 8.4, page number 83 in your book. And exercise 8.5, word problems, okay, page number 84 and 85 in your fair copy. First of all, you need to make title page properly with blue color. Don't use any marker, any color in your copy. Then left one page, then in proper way by using pencil and blue color, you will solve all these word problems. Exercise 8.5, okay. So length chapter is end now. Inshallah, tomorrow we will start our new chapter, that is subtraction, chapter number 4. Okay, chapter number 3, subtraction. Inshallah, we will start it tomorrow. Then chapter number 8 is end now. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.